This video will show you how to use the multi-limit feature in CATCH.AI. The multi-limit feature lets you compare repeated series of data and define limits for the ideal performance. On a production line, this could be used for monitoring the force applied during a repeated operation or the start-up sequence of an engine. Just to mention a few examples. In this exercise, you are going to use multi-limits to track movement using the phone simulator. Start off by creating a dashboard. Go to the System tab and click Dashboards in the sidebar. Click Add Dashboard and name your new dashboard. The dashboard can now be found in the drop-down menu on the Dashboard tab. Now you're going to create a multi-limit widget. Go to the Report tab and select Multi-Limit. Under Device, select your phone. Then select Accelerometer Z as the property. Select Start of Movement as the start event and set the duration to 2000 milliseconds. Now use the phone simulator to ingest an event. Press Add Event on the phone simulator and select Start of Movement. Press Send to ingest the event. Then move the phone upwards at a controlled pace. Now you can see a representation of the movement in data by clicking the Refresh button in CATCH.AI. To properly use the multi-limit function, you need more data, so return to the phone simulator and create 2 more sample movements. Refresh again to see your data. When you're done adding sample movements, it's time to introduce upper and lower limits for this type of movement. First, click New and then Refresh to auto-generate limits. Click Save and name the multi-limit you just created. Add the widget to the dashboard. Now you want to create an alarm that triggers if a movement exceeds the upper and lower limits you just set. Go to the System tab and select Rule Engine in the sidebar. Click the New Rule button and name your rule. Now click Add Condition and then click on the Value field. In the picker that opens, go to the Multi-Limits tab and select your multi-limit. Click the Operator field and select Series Exceeded. Add another condition and select Device as the value. Select Equal as the operator. In the Value field that appears, click the C on its right side, and under Device, select your phone. Click the plus symbol next to Actions. Select Ingest Event and select the movement failed as the event. As the device, select the phone simulator connected to your phone. To connect the ingestion of this event to an alarm, we need a property that the alarm can monitor. Add another action and select Change Property. Select the Movement Failed property and select again the phone simulator connected to your phone. Select Set to Value as the change type. Since movement failed is a Boolean property, the value field will only take 1 for true or 0 for false. Enter 1 for true and save the rule. We also need a rule to register if the latest movement stayed within limits. Click New Rule again and name the new rule. Detect Movement OK. Now add a condition. Select the multi-limit and select Series Not Exceeded as the operator. Add an action and select Change Property. As property, select Movement Failed. As the device, select your phone and then set the value to 0 for false. Save the rule. We now want to connect the property to an alarm. Go to Alarms in the sidebar and then click Add Alarm. Name the alarm Movement Alarm and link it to the Movement Failed property. Go to the Report tab and select Alarms in the sidebar. Under Device, select the phone simulator connected to your device, and under Alarms, select the alarm you just created. Select Alarm Cards from the drop-down and click Refresh. Add the widget to the dashboard. Move the phone around to see if you can create a movement that exceeds the limits and trigger the alarm.